which level are you seeing activists at? Is it leadership level? Is it across the organization? Is it the frontline employees? Where are you seeing this?
As with all activist movements, leaders are often the ones most comfortable where they're sitting and the situation that's at hand. Activism begins lower in the ranks in all movements. And so in companies, if you want positive activism, you have to give permission to employees to say, essentially, if you see something you don't like around here and you think we can do it better, speak up, engage. You have permission to lead an initiative on this. Spend a little budget prototyping how we could do it better. And one of the big principles now, where we used to have previously large-scale change management programs that were very well thought out in advance and very programmatic in design, now has become a lot more of an experimental approach. Why don't we prototype a changing employee experience over here? Why don't we pilot something over there? Why don't we test something over here? And a willingness to test, experiment, and prototype, whereas before the inclination was, we'll figure it out, we'll lock it down, and when all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted, only then will we announce a mass-scale implementation for everyone. That's the big difference. And so if you can combine a willingness of an organization to allow for experimentation and piloting with permission to employees to speak up and express respectively changes that they want to see happen and be part of leading that change, then very powerful things can happen.